The front of the court now, and this is what the Emirates office is. Can you see the Emirates office? There you go. Right. أنا شفت أغلب يمشي مدي بعمل دي دايس. بعمل دي.